Looking at my hair and it's about that time. Make Love Records said it's time to shine. Support your girl. Hello. Hello. I know there's a lot going on inside and outside. I hope you guys are doing well. I love you if you haven't heard it today, or some people haven't heard that all week. I love you. I need you. And don't ever forget it. You need me too. That's what family is. And y'all know my movement. One love, one family.
Bamboo earrings, at least 2 pair.
My hair is clearly looking fried, dyed, and laid to the side. I'm about to do something about that. I used to be a Pravana only girl until I met Adore. Cheaper and just as good, if not better. My ends are bad too. I'm gonna color, wash, shampoo, blow dry, trim, all of that myself. My main hairstyle that I prefer is natural and free because I'm a butterfly and that's how I live. Natural and free. I'm moving to Nigeria. Bye-bye. I'm kidding, but seriously, I don't see myself living in Michigan forever. I just don't see it. Anytime I'm doing my hair blow dry or anything, combing it out, I put it in 4 sections because it makes it easier. I have a lot of hair, it's thick, and I want to take good care of it from here on out. One piece at a time, and I'm going to pour it directly from the bottle onto my hair because that's the way I prefer to do it this morning. Being a YouTuber, everybody tells you how they want you to do stuff, but you do things how you want to because it's going to make you happy. Thanks for coming to my love talk. Back to you, Simone. Thank you, girl. I'm just still over here laying this color. I don't make tutorials, and I'm not a licensed hair professional. I've been coloring my own hair for years. Also, I've been blessed to have the opportunity to work with some of the best in my city. None of them have used the same products that I am using right now, but that's cool because I'm gonna do this my way. Like I said, if you're not doing life your way, whose way are you doing it, my baby? What I want to learn next is how to do makeup. Because if I knew how, trust me, I would have some on in these scenes right here that y'all watching right now. It's not my favorite, but it's fun, just like nails. Nails are my favorite. And for my surprise, I'm gonna put some purple on this section right here. There are much better methods to applying hair color. However, I bet you I won't miss a piece. I bet you. I forgot about Wella. I used to use that for some years. I like that brand as well. Another thing, they say 20 minutes. I'm gonna leave my hair color in for like 20 hours. I'm a swimmer and a mermaid has to have their hair color in there good, okay? My purple looks a lot like blue. The color was called Violet or something like that. You guys can rewind. Get that watch time up. If you love me, do you love me? Anybody that said no, I ain't even mad. I love me and I love you too. Blow drying is my least favorite part. And now we're gonna get started with this flat iron. Look at that. You could tell. Look at those beautiful colors together. Let me hit these ends and get right back. I did do a decent job trimming my hair, and I'll say decent again because I am not a professional. I'm a professional nail tech, and I wasn't able to get a trim in months. It's been a very long time, and I'm proud. New hair, new trim, new nails. Who this? I went ahead and did my nails too because I was feeling really good. Some self-care. Anything that makes you happy is self-care. Boom, bam, bada bing. I want one thing to be clear for my subscribers who love me. I don't do my hair straight often. My natural curl pattern is just now coming back and in full effect. So after this color is off my ends, it's gonna look really good. And when I say good, understand that I mean healthy. Speaking of healthy, let me show you this quick summer salad. I love me some cucumbers. I have vegan mayo, Worcestershire sauce, green onions, some dill, basil, salt and pepper, date sugar, a lot of love. You put everything on there and mix it all together because you're gonna let it sit and soak in, marinate, and chill in the fridge for a little while.
Chop, finish 'em.
Speaking of chop, I'm gonna have some guacamole on the side. The darker these are, you know they're right, and the softer. If they are hard, you might as well just put it to the side because it's not ready for smashing. And voila, I just put some roasted chickpeas right on top. And this has chilled in the fridge. 98% raw, healthy snack. I like my fruit with seeds all up in it, baby. Ooh. Do you know how good watermelon is? Do you understand that when you swallow the seeds of real fruit, it gives your body information? Beautiful scent, beautiful taste, beautiful look, and cannot reproduce themselves. Anything real from the earth and from God, it can regrow. It has seeds. Speaking of seeds, that is why I love key limes over those super large, oversized limes. Key limes have seeds inside, meant for you. 100% safe to swallow anything that is from God, from the earth. It is the same exact thing. It's beautiful and it's healthy. So I'm very happy you guys have watched the video and made it to this point. I love you so much. I encourage you to try some healthier snacks and press your own juice. You know everything that's in it. What can go wrong if you make your own juice for your family? There's nothing in it. There's no surprise chemicals and bull crap in it. Love yourself enough, love your family enough, because you are worth it, okay? Practice radical empathy and know your power. I love you. Speaking of power, I want to recreate this powerful photo. I am in love with it. Jordy, can we do that? I hope she say yes. But go be a beautiful addition to the world. Her workout's out.